Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're looking at Luminar 2018 and we're looking at the Accent AI filter. Now AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Science today, we're going into a science class today. Not really, we're just going into a fun photography editing session. So let's get started. Right now we're in Lightroom, and the reason we're in Lightroom, guys, I wanted to show you, I've done no adjustments to this image whatsoever. Even the white balance I haven't touched. The only thing I have done, however, is let's open up the detail panel here, and I've given it a little bit of sharpening, and I've also given it a little bit of noise reduction. I shot this with a Canon 40D, and it can be a little bit noisy, even at ISO 800, so I just wanted to reduce some of that noise a little bit, but that's all I did. So let's go back. Basic again, as you can see, I've done nothing to it whatsoever. I'm going to right-click the image and go to Edit in Photoshop, CC 2018, give that a click, and in we go to Photoshop. Once we're in Photoshop, the only thing I want to do is type Command-J on a Mac, Control-J on a PC, so we can duplicate our background layer and not work destructively on our image. So we will be working non-destructively, which is a good thing. So now let's go up to the menu up here, click on Filter, come down to Skylum Software, click on Luminar 2018, which will launch Luminar 2018. Once we're in Luminar 2018, come up here to the right top and click on Add Filters. And then we're looking for the Accent AI filter. Now there's a list of 50, count them, 50 different filters inside of here. Pretty amazing. And as I hover over them, you can see little descriptions of what each one of these filters does, which is pretty cool. But we're looking for Accent AI. And if we can't find it, all we have to do is come up to the very top here, see where it says search, give that a click, and you can type in Accent AI, and you'll find it real quick. But I know it's right in this Essentials group right here, and it's the very first filter, Accent AI, and it's got a trademark. Pretty cool stuff. Give that a click, and then you'll see it over here in our list of filters over here. Right now, we only have the one loaded up, and that's Accent AI. And by the way, you can load 20 filters in here if you wanted to. But we're only looking at one at a time, so we're only going to have this one, Accent AI. But I'll tell you what, guys, this is a pretty powerful filter, and you'll see the magic here in a second. Now let's get rid of our filters list here because it's kind of in the way. So if we come up here and click Add Filters, that goes away. As I said, guys, there is one and only one slider in here, and it's called Boost. And when I slide that slider to the right, you're going to see some magical things happen to the image. The artificial intelligence is going to take over and do some magical things to this image. And one slider, one adjustment, and good things are going to happen. So let's do it. Let's come up here to Boost and start moving the slider to the right. And look at the image come to life. I'm going to take it the whole way to the right, which is going to be too much, but I want you to see how much range you have here. So look at that. Now let me just back it off to where it looks kind of nice. I'm going to take it to around 65%. But look at the details and the color. It just really came to life for me. And let's go to the eyeball here and click it off so we can see the before and the after. Pretty amazing, right? Before and after. Well, that's the Accent AI filter, guys, and it's pretty neat. And here's a good application for this filter. Say, for instance, you're a wedding photographer and you had a bunch of images and your client was like saying, I want to see some images, I want to see some images. And you haven't had much of a chance to go through the images yet. But what you could do is you could run some of those through the Accent AI filter and show them some pictures, and they can get an understanding of the good quality of work that you're going to be presenting to them. Okay, and all you've done was ran it through Luminar 2018 and slapped the Accent AI filter on it. So kind of cool. Now, obviously, I would do a lot more to this image, but I just wanted to show you how the Accent AI filter works. This is a short video today, but I'll tell you, there's not much to the filter. One slider, and we're done. So there you go, guys. Now, all we need to do is click on Apply. That'll bring us right back into Photoshop. And once we're in Photoshop here, let's go to Layer 1. I'm going to click the little eyeball so you can see the before and the after. And if you were a little too aggressive on that filter, you can come here to Opacity and just drag it the whole way to the left. That's the way I like to do it. Take the opacity the whole way off, and then come and slowly pull the opacity up and get it right to the spot where you like. And I'm going to bring it right up around 82%. And now let's look at the before and the after. So pretty cool, guys. One filter, one slider, Accent AI inside of Luminar 2018. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and we will continue to go through all 50 of those filters inside of Luminar. If you like the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and click the bell notification so you can be reminded of all the new training videos that I put out. And I put them out approximately every 1 to 3 days, so you'll be notified of that. Well, guys, thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you later.